In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app and then right here tap at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji. Then tap on gear icon to open up settings, and in settings scroll down until you find account actions. Here you can see that I got 65.18 megabytes of cache is taken by Snapchat app, and now I can tap right here at clear cache. It asks me if I really want to clear all cache. All of your caches will be cleared and Snapchat will restart. Your memories backup won't be deleted. Just tap here at clear, then tap at OK. It shut down your Snapchat app, and now you can tap on Snapchat icon to open it up again. Now you can tap at your Bitmoji, then tap on settings to open up Snapchat app again. And now you can scroll down, and here, as you can see, now only 14 megabytes are now taken by Snapchat cache. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.